Hey guys, we're Becca
and Jesse,
with Modern Vintage Events.
and this is Planning and Prosecco.
Etiquette. Some people love it, some would rather throw etiquette to the wind. We're kind of a mishmash of both camps.
When it comes to events, we usually say that it's totally cool to buck tradition. However, when we're talking about setting a table, you can just call us Emily Post. There's nothing that makes me shudder more than an improperly set table.
Other than maybe linens that don't come all the way to the floor. Table legs. Ugh! So, let's talk about how to set a proper table. If you're going for a completely formal set, first, you'll want to make sure that you have enough room at the table for all of the china, flatware, and glassware.
A formal place setting consists of a dinner plate, a salad plate, and a bread and butter or a B&B plate. Sometimes you'll also have a charger on the table that'll be underneath the dinner plate. Technically, the charger should be pulled when the dinner is served.
You will always work from the outside in when using flatware. To the left, you'll have the appetizer fork, the salad fork, and the dinner fork. And to the right, you'll have the soup spoon and dinner knife. Make sure your knife is always facing the plates. Dessert fork is above the plate, looking at the glassware, and the dessert spoon is above that, looking at the B&B plate, which is in the top left.
The B&B knife will go across the plate up here or to diagonally. Then you'll have your glassware. The water goblet goes first, and that's going to be kind of above the knife, and then you're going to have your red wine glass and your champagne flute.
You can also add a white wine glass if you want to. And there you have a properly set table. So, what's wrong with this setting right here? Bless it, the knife is facing the wrong direction.
What about here? Well, the glass is on the wrong side of the plate. These are probably the two faux pas we see the most often on a place setting.
So, what if your meal is a lot more simple than all of this, but you still want to set the tables to get that nice pulled together look? The same rules apply, just use what you need and forget the rest. Just a dinner fork and a knife. You can take away the other flatware and that's totally fine. But make sure they're properly placed with that knife facing in the right direction.
So who usually sets the table? Sometimes the catering team will do this. Sometimes we will do it. Usually our team is highly involved. So even if the catering team is helping set the tables, we always have somebody on site helping to make sure that everything is properly placed and spot checking all of it.
We know this stuff may seem kind of nitpicky, but it all blends together to help create a clean and cohesive look. And you know your Southern mama will appreciate it too. If this was helpful, please like it and share it with your friends.
If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking here for more wedding planning tips.
You can also check out our blog at modernvintageevents.com.
Join us again soon for the next installment of Planning and Prosecco. Until then,
Happy planning!